Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to root. First, we're going to unlock the Lenovo tablet TB-X103F. Okay, we're going to unlock it. We're going to root it using Super SU. Okay, and these are the commands that you're going to use in the command prompt. Okay, these are the commands that we're going to use. This is to unlock it, and this one is to install Twrp. Okay, so let me show you how to set up your tablet. Okay, in your tablet, go to settings, scroll down, and you're going to find developer options. If you cannot find it, go to about tablet, and in the build number right here, tap 7 times until it says that you are a developer. Then go back, and you're going to see this one right here. You tap in there. You need to enable USB debugging. It's already on. And then OEM unlocking. Okay, just tap in there, and it's going to give you a warning, and you enable it. Okay, that's how you set up your tablet. Okay, so let me make sure that you see it. Okay, it's right there. Okay, so now we're gonna go, and we are gonna plug in our tablet somewhere here. Okay, so now we get rid of this and this. Okay, so to see if your tablet is recognized, just type ADB devices. And your tablet should be recognized right there. Okay, you should see some kind of numbers here. Okay, now the easiest way to boot into Bootloader, just type ADB Reboot Bootloader. Okay, I just press enter. See, it's gonna go automatically into the bootloader mode. Okay, so it's upside down, sorry. Okay, so okay, now that we are in a bootloader mode, all we have to do is just type well, I just gonna copy from here. I'm gonna leave you the text down there. Okay, so, and you just put it there, and it's nothing gonna show in the tablet. Okay, so press enter, and that's it. You're not gonna see anything on the tablet. The only way you know that it's unlocked is because of this right here. Okay, so now your tablet is unlocked. Okay, so we're gonna get out of here, and now you need to make a folder in here. Okay, I already did one. It's right here, and I got my Twrp, the Twrp that I download. I'm gonna leave you links for everything. Okay, so in here, you're gonna press Shift and right click, and you're gonna open command prompt from here. Okay, now the only thing you gotta do here is to copy the other thing right here. Okay, you copy that and you paste it in here. Okay, you press enter. Okay, and the tablet it should reboot automatically. See, right there, we got Twrp. Okay, so now all you have to do is just swipe. Well, clicking here first, and then swipe, and there you go. Okay, we got Twrp. It's very easy, simple thing. Now we have to go and well, we have to install the Super SU. Let me see. Let me get it and put it there so I can show you. Okay. Okay, so we are here now. We're gonna. I just put the Super SU here. So now that we have it here, you just tap on it and you install Super SU. Okay. Remember to put it before, and you can do it while you're here, so it's no problem. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you to wipe this right here. Always do it. Okay. So just swipe and reboot. Boy, you can unplug it now and reboot. Okay. Okay, this is gonna take a little while. Let me come. Okay, we're back. So now we go here and we go Super SU. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. You can go back. You want to make sure that you're I already download this app so I can make sure that it's rooted. See, congratulations, your Lenovo TB-X103F is rooted. So, and if you want to make sure that Twrp is on it, just go back here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, let me go back to my apps. Oh no, not that. Okay, I have this one right here, Reboot Manager. We're gonna reboot to recovery. Super SU is gonna give permission. It's right there. Say granted. And it should reboot to a Twrp. Okay. There you go. Okay, so this is how you install Twrp, how to unlock, install Twrp and root it. Okay, and don't forget to make a backup or your ROM, so in case anything happens you have a backup. Okay, always make it a backup. Okay, right here. Okay, so this is it. Thank you very much. If you like this video, share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.